Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I am doing a quick look and unboxing of the Odoland titanium mug set. Titanium is going to be lighter and probably just as durable as steel and aluminum, so that's why it's it's a highly prized backpacking item because it's going to be lighter and it's going to be just as strong. So getting it up, what we have in this set is going to be a stuff sack. It's going to have the pot, a lid, and then it's going to have a little spork eating device, and that little spork is going to have its own bag as well. So here's the stuff sack. Here is the lid. It's going to have that little handle so you can grab it and get into it and out when it's hot. Here is another stuff sack. And then here is going to be the little spork that goes into it. So very lightweight. And then it has handles on this. So also not being steel or iron, it's not going to rust. It's going to be slightly lighter or about the same as aluminum, but more durable. You're going to be able to put this right on your fire. So whether you're using a canister stove, a wood stove, whatever that may be, you can heat it right there. It is 420 milliliters, so it's going to be kind of small, but it's going to be perfect for coffee, oatmeal, smaller lunches that you can prepare for. So this is definitely going to be for either adding into a cook set or someone who is going to be very minimalist and not take a lot of stuff backpacking. So it's very cool. It's about a little over 3.5 inches this way, a little more than 4 here. This entire set weighs 4.76 ounces, so it's incredibly light. You probably don't need this. You can just put this inside. It is going to be kind of noisy, so you could put some more stuff in there. You may or may not want to take this just to keep the lid on and that spork from coming out, but you could probably get it down a little bit less than that 4.76 ounces. Overall, I'm super excited about this. This is going to be a great addition, whether I just take it as kind of my coffee and drink mug and make oatmeal out of it in the morning and keep it simple, or if I'm going to do a little more planning and make things, meals where I can just make them right out of this, right off my canister stove. So great addition for backpacking. It's also going to be great for car camping if I want something light for making that coffee, for drinks. So I look forward to trying it out. So thanks for watching and make sure you join me on my next adventure.